In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member and assign them to a group and manager in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently add someone to your team with the right access from the start. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage team members and have the basic details for the person you're adding ready to go. First, open your web browser and log in to QuickBooks Time. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation. Click My Team. This is your hub for everyone who has access to track time in your organization and where you'll add new members. At the top right of the My Team page, click Add Team Member. This opens a form where you'll enter the person's required details. Take a moment to fill in the fields marked as required. Keep your information accurate and consistent to make future reporting and approval straightforward. If you see optional fields, you can leave them for later, but it's often easier to complete what you can now, so everything is set up cleanly the first time. Next to the team member details, click Group and Manager. This is where you'll connect the person to the right place in your structure, which helps with approvals, scheduling, and visibility. Start by selecting the appropriate group for the team member. Groups are typically used to organize people by department, location, or function. Choose the group that matches where this person will work day to day. If you don't see a perfect match, select the closest option that reflects how their time should be managed. Now select the assigned manager for the group. The manager you pick here will generally be responsible for reviewing hours, time off requests, or schedules tied to this team member. Choose the person who actually oversees their work to keep approval smooth and accurate. Before you finish, review the assignment. Double-check that the team member's details are correct, the selected group is appropriate, and the manager is the right one. A quick review now prevents confusion later and ensures your reports and approvals line up with your organization's structure. When everything looks good, click Save to add the team member with the assigned group and manager. You should now see the new person listed under My Team with the settings you just applied. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.